Hello, dear children. How are you?
Fine.
Dear student, today we are learn a poem in class third. Okay? मेरे साथ सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे. Think, things at the robin.
Things at the robin.
Things at the jay.
Things at the jay.
Sitting in the garden.
Sitting in the garden.
Talking one day.
Talking one day.
Think about people.
Think about people.
The way they grow.
The way they grow.
They don't have feather
They don't have fear
at all, you know.
at all, you know.
They don't eat bitter.
They don't eat fear.
They don't growing.
They don't growing.
They don't like sitting
They don't like sitting
on wire and things.
on one side.
Things at the robin.
Things at the robin.
Things at the zay.
Things at the day.
Aren't people funny
And people falling
to be that way?
to be